One of our most popular pad lines just got a massive update. Introducing the new SDO CCS pad line. CCS technology is a Lake Country patented design that helps your polish and compound stay on the surface of the pad longer. CCS pockets also help to reduce surface tension to allow the operator to run the pad flat on the surface. This results in slower polish absorption, prevents pad skipping, and creates less surface heat, letting you polish more efficiently. These SDO pads feature the same foam formulations and pad profile that you've become accustomed to in the SDO product line. The foam formulations offer consistent performance and firmness throughout the heat cycle of the pad. The 5-inch and 6-inch pad sizes have a center hole which allows more heat to escape from the center of the pad. To learn more about these or any of our other products, visit us online at www.lakecountrymfg.com.